New here at 5 o'clock. An annoying noise homeowners in a Durham neighborhood say they just cannot take anymore.
Yeah, residents near Riverside High in North Durham say they've been dealing with the noises for about a year now, and they cannot get it to quiet down. The homeowners reached out to Diane Wilson. Diane, we understand the noise is not only during school hours.
You know, that's right. They say it's 24/7 and this noise creating a big buzz for residents in this neighborhood.
A loud humming.
I hear it constantly, day and night.
It's all hours. So pretty much any time. I have the fortune of working from home 2 days a week. I hear it on my Zoom calls.
Yes, even inside their home. Residents of the Fieldstone by the Eno neighborhood in Durham say this noise doesn't stop.
I was in the backyard today mowing the grass, could still hear it. It's just loud.
They discovered the source. It's coming from the HVAC units at Riverside High School, just across the tree line from their neighborhood.
They identified it as a chiller, so it's cooling the school. They said it's operating normally. It hasn't happened in the 7 years I've lived here until this year. I think it's probably not functioning as normally as it would.
These residents banding together, signing a petition, contacting school officials, trying to put a stop to the noise.
I think it's the nighttime that bothers me the most. You're laying awake, it's insidious. You can't escape it. You can't unhear it. It's like a car alarm going off down the road. It's annoying and you can't do anything about it.
They did get responses from district officials that say the school took action to try and lessen the noise, but
we love hearing the marching band and we love listening to football games on our back deck. That's great, but this is not a pleasant noise to listen to all the time. Matter of fact, it's rather annoying.
I reached out to Durham Public Schools, who said after receiving complaints, they've added compressor covers to the HVAC units, and they've also had 2 contractors conduct some troubleshooting and have been told that the sound is appropriate based on the size of the equipment and its outside location. Not a solution for these residents.
We'd like this thing fixed. It must be a simple thing, but no one's had the will or the time or whatever have you to do it, and it's affecting all of us.
Well, Representative with Durham adds during high temperatures, the unit runs nonstop. So as temperatures drop, they expect the sound will decrease. But these homeowners, they said they've had cooler temps and the noise is still there. And I gotta say, when I was out there, I can't unhear it. So it's just one of those that they, you would think it would turn off eventually, and they just said it's 24/7.
But you talk to folks who know what it was like before the noise.
Right. I mean, one was there 27 years, and they said it has never happened until the last year. And so
Something's wrong.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully, we'll figure out the buzz, or Durham can lessen the buzz.
Diane, thank you.